Right, okay, so we can't see anything today.
Yeah, I mean, the other one, I'm still waiting for them to get back to me, but like this one, it goes super fast. I'm sorry that it last minute. She said it just happened like 15 minutes ago. Someone just saw it and they put it up right away.
Okay. Hey guys, hey. Another day, another week, and more apartment hunting. Let me have more light. Hello, and there was light. Okay, as I was saying, another day of apartment hunting, and I'm seeing maybe 4 properties today. Honestly, it is so stressful. I am stressed out. It is tiring. Literally, an apartment comes onto the market and it's gone at the very next minute. So I've been contacting more people. Initially I was going with one broker. I was like, okay, let me just stick with her. Nope. So I'm having to compromise more with what it is that I really want and need, and it's just, yeah, it's getting me down. So I'm gonna go and see a few more today with 2 different brokers, and hopefully there'll be something that I like, that I can put an application in and just have some security, some sort of security. Just pray for me, guys, pray. Right, okay, so we can't see anything today.
Yeah, I mean, the other one, I'm still waiting for them to get back to me, but like this one, it goes super fast. I'm sorry that it last minute. She said it just happened like 15 minutes ago. Someone just saw it and they put it up right away.
Okay, and that's how the cookie crumbles, guys. I'm all dressed, ready to go. It's taken. Okay, I'm in Midtown and I'm walking towards the second building. It's interesting. It's a bit far away from the station, so I'm not sure I'm going in the right direction. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. It's a bit far. I don't know. This is the area. I'm not sure. Living room, bedroom. Wow, space. Bathroom. So 600.
If you were really set on that date, we can budge a little bit and make it
amazing.
Make it March 18th if we need to.
Amazing. So this is the bedroom. Daniel. Lots of light. Cool.
Like, this was just vacated yesterday.
Okay.
To make sure that you feel like it's as new as it can be.
Amazing. In the kitchen. Okay. Lounge area. Very, very nice. It's massive. Massive. Laundry. So there's 2. Wow. Heading out for another few viewings. Guys, yesterday was intense. It was emotional. It was a lot. So today I am doing my best to keep super calm. I don't want to stress out. It is what it is. I actually put in an application yesterday for one of the properties that I saw. It's a studio flat. I don't know if it's going to pan out. I don't know. All I know is it's super expensive at the moment. So I'm heading out. I think I'm looking at some 1 beds. The thing about these agencies, you're like, my budget is this, and then they take you to places that are outside of your budget, and I'm like, my budget is this. So today I'm just going to be really firm. I was firm yesterday. I wasn't that firm yesterday, but I did send an email to one of them and said, look, my budget is this and we want this, and if the properties you're showing me today are not that, then I don't want to do it. It's just gonna be a waste of your time and my time, so let's just not do it. But he insisted that, oh no, you must see the building. So I don't know whether he thinks that if I see the building I'm gonna love it and like fork out a fortune, but it's not happening. Anyway guys, welcome to another day of apartment hunting in New York, in Manhattan. This is a Hunger Games kind of situation, guys. Hunger Games. All right. Okay, so I'm heading to New Jersey to see some apartments. Don't know where the hell I'm going, but I'm in the World Trade Center at the moment, so I'm gonna get the PATH train. You can see. Alright guys, I am in New Jersey. This isn't the best day to look at anything. As you can see, it's horrid, but I have to make a decision on the apartment that we've already got or change to another one, and I need to do it today, tomorrow, today. So I'm here to look at various apartments. Hey guys, finding my light. Okay, hey you guys, so today is Thursday and I am officially moving out of this apartment tomorrow morning. So I'm moving out on Friday the 18th. It's a hot mess because I'm gathering everything and about to start packing. I've decided I'm just going to pack now instead of waiting till tomorrow and then start panicking. Apparently the weather's quite nice tomorrow. I've literally only got 4 suitcases, so no furniture. I mean, 4 suitcases is a lot. And I'm moving into my place tomorrow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, this adulting business is real.